that relations with my mother-in-law, with my sister-in-law, every relation is healthy and happy now. So if it is a good company, then she can shape her future. Or he was about to shut the factory, but he is earning profit from it now. I mean, he has also started believing in your teachings. He is also following every day whatever declarations we do. But I did join EQH. I joined the first course, and then I even became a diamond member. Everyone is inspired with each other, and everyone is moving forward in life positively.
So, welcome to the Rise to Fame interview with a beautiful soul, Khyati. She's saying that she's got wins in every area of her life and she's really happy and peaceful now. So, let's go to Khyati straight away and understand how did she win and what are her wins actually in every area of her life. So, over to you, Khyati. The floor is yours. You can just speak.
After joining EQH, I have seen a massive transformation in my life. Today, when I'm talking to you, I'm confident. Before, I even did not used to speak properly to anyone. And we are learning four areas of our life. The first is Gyan Glow. So before, I did not used to like makeup and anything, but after right now in Gyan Glow, in my health, I'm doing yoga, I'm doing pranayam regularly. I have lost 5 kgs weight. I'm taking care of my skin. I'm taking care of my hair. Before, I mean, there used to be a lesser hair on my head, but now after joining Ganglo, I am taking care of each and every part of my body and even my family members. I have
Love it.
made them. I have made them have healthy food. I have made them started doing yoga and take care of their health also. So massive transformation. I'm a homemaker, so I very well prefer to be be a family person and do every good thing I can do in my family. So in
Love it.
Ganglo, I have personally benefited and I have benefited my family also. Then coming to Wreath Radiance, yes, because I have started loving myself, I have started exploring myself. I am a better person now. I don't get anything negative in my head. Try to be calm in all situations. So that has improved all relations of mine, especially which triggered me. That relations with my mother-in-law, with my sister-in-law, every relation is healthy and happy now.
Love it. Amazing. Congratulations on this one. This is a very big win, especially for a homemaker. I would say that because you're centering your life around your family, and if you're not getting the love from them, it can trigger you. So I'm very happy for you, Khyati, for actually now healing. And I like you very well said once again. Like it's all about when you start changing internally, the external also starts to show the results. So thank you for sharing this because everybody needs to know this. Yes,
Yeah.
it's us who is attracting the situation. So yes, thank you so much for sharing this. Continue.
Important thing I have learned is my manifestations are coming true every time. What I think that I want this or I wish for this, whatever I'm, that are coming exactly true. I You cannot even imagine how the things turn and like that.
Yes, I love that. Yes, I know that that Kathy is super amazing. So, और बताइए like what were your manifestations and what are the things which you would like to share with people?
See, my daughter was wanted to go to a particular hostel in school, and uh, one another friend of hers was coming with her, which I did not want that she should be with her. And it was like our family relation, so I cannot say no that you stay separate or anything like that because it is a not a good company. So I had manifested that whatever happens, they should not be together, and it happened.
Okay, amazing. So small little things but meaningful to you,
Yes,
right?
and that her life depends on that.
Yes.
She will be coming in sixth standard. So if it is a good company, then she can shape her future. So it's
Hmm.
a big tension for me.
Super amazing. So this is it's amazing. So you're saying, Kathy, that whatever you're thinking is coming true for you.
Yes.
Yes,
First,
amazing. And now you've stopped overthinking and you're starting thinking to good things, right,
yes,
Kathy?
yes. The
Yes.
way it should be.
The way it should be. I love that, right? Most of us are actually, most of the people, I would say, not us, but most of the people are only thinking about what bad can happen. Or, they're not what bad can happen, but they are get into the overthinking patterns of fear, of worry and all of that. If you've broken that, it's amazing, right? So
Yes.
this is one thing which everybody should break, I feel.
Yes, that is the main point I'm telling you, that because after coming to EQH, I also used to have a lot of fears. What will happen? I used to think, as if you said, that overthinking. But now I've left that. I've surrendered myself to the universe, and whatever is happening, whatever is coming to me, I'm accepting it very, you know, nicely, and
Nice.
I'm loving
Amazing.
that everything is happening good. What?
Yes.
Yes, when whatever is coming to me is always good.
Love it. Super amazing, Khyati. So amazing. So, Riddhi Radiance, you feel your relationships have improved, in your
All
health, it has improved, and your manifestations are coming true. So, anything else which you want to add to it?
Yes, in Eka Essence, it is not me that I'm working, but my husband is working, right? So since many years he was suffering from losses and everything, and I did Ho'oponopono for him, nothing else, just Ho'oponopono, and it gave him results. And he has he was about to shut the factory, but he is earning profit from it now.
Wow, that's
Yes.
big.
Yes, that's big, very big, ma'am, because it was a huge. I mean, he has also started believing in your teachings. He is also following every day whatever declarations we do. At night, also, he's following everything, every routine that we do. And he makes sure that I attend morning energizer every day.
I love that. Yes,
He
so
goes,
when a women grows, the family grows. Most
yes,
definitely.
he
Yes,
makes sure
amazing.
that he goes away to the office before my time starts.
Yes, love it. Thank you so much for sharing this. Sometimes, as a homemaker, even if we can help our family grow, and not just that, if a family gets aligned to this work that we are doing together, so automatically the happiness, the joy starts coming inside the family. So, thank you for spreading this knowledge everywhere, to your family, to your husband, to everywhere for that matter. Thank you, Kathy, for doing that.
Into our life and helping us, be, the way of life it should be. Everyone knows everything, but after, I mean, looking at you and making you have, come over everything, that inspires a lot.
Thank you, my dear. It means a lot to me. So now tell me one thing, to the people who are watching, right? Or maybe some people want to join EQH, but they may be confused, or whatever for that matter, for anything. What would you like to tell everybody who's watching this video?
Even it's beginning with me only, ma'am. I was randomly searching in Instagram and I had come across your ad. I joined it the very first day. You said that if you are really thinking that you want to join, you will be able to join. So even at that time, I was not able to ask money from my husband or anyone, but I did join EQH. I joined the first course, and then I even became a diamond member. It
Amazing.
wanted to do it, it happened. So
Yes.
any woman who decides that I want to join, she will be able to join anyhow if she is very much determined. And
Yes.
I
So
would suggest,
everybody should make a determination, right? That
yes,
yes, I'm an energy queen of my
yes,
life.
yes, and if they really want to transform their life, they should join EQH. They should.
Yes, amazing. Thank you. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to the entire EQH family, I'm sure, because we grow together, together
Yes,
we rise. So thank
I
you, my
love
dear.
that, because here you can be yourself. You are not judged, and you are able to grow with each other. Looking at each other growing, everyone is inspired with each other, and everyone is moving forward in life positively.
Yes, yes, super amazing. So once again, thank you for showing up. Thank you for this conversation which we had, because it can inspire even one life to take a decision in their life. So thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. God bless you.